Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be making homemade aloe vera butter for massive hair growth. If you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So to start off with this aloe vera butter, I'm going to be using this cocoa butter and shea butter mix. You could use just shea butter, or you could use shea butter and mango butter, whichever butters you prefer. And I'm going to be adding it into this mixing bowl, and I've already melted down the shea and cocoa butter. I just placed the container into some warm water. I also got this shea butter and cocoa butter mix from my local beauty supply store. Next, I'm going to add this organic virgin coconut oil, which I got from Walmart, and I'm going to use 2 scoops of this coconut oil. You don't have to use coconut oil. I know a lot of people are sensitive to coconut oil, so you could definitely substitute it for a different type of oil. Next, I'm going to be adding this extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to put 2 spoonfuls of this into the mixture as well. I'm going to add 2 spoonfuls of pure apricot oil. I've had this oil for a while now, so I decided to add it into the butter. I got this oil from TJ Maxx. Next, I'm going to add 2 spoonfuls of this extra dark Jamaican black castor oil. I got this oil from either TJ Maxx or Marshall's. Now I'm going to add a few drops of this peppermint oil, which I got from the Dollar Tree. And the second to last ingredient to this butter is going to be MS. I got this from the vitamin shop, and I'm going to add 6 capsules of this MS. So you just want to break apart the capsule and just pour out the powder into the bowl. So after I've added all of my ingredients, I'm just going to mix up the mixture really quickly, and then I'm going to place it in the refrigerator until it's firm, so that way we can use the mixer to make it into a nice whipped butter. And I'll go ahead and leave all these ingredients in the description box, as well as links to where you can find these ingredients. They may not be the same exact ingredients, but it'll be, similar. So while the butter is in the refrigerator, I'm going to be preparing the aloe vera juice. So I'm just going to cut up this aloe vera leaf into smaller pieces, and then I'm going to cut off the thorny sides, and then from there I'm just going to split the aloe vera in half, and then I'm going to scoop out the jelly insides of the aloe vera. Now I've placed the aloe vera into the blender, and I'm just going to blend it until it's at a liquid consistency. So once the aloe vera has gone through the blender, I'm just going to pour it into this sifter and just separate the juice part from the jelly part, because you do not want to put that jelly part in your hair because it's going to take forever to take out. So now all you can see is just the juice is left from the aloe vera, and that's what we're going to place into the butter. So I'm going to add about a quarter cup of aloe vera into the butter, and as you can see that the butter has gotten to a more firm consistency. I'm going to place the butter underneath the mixer, so that way we can have more of a whipped type of texture to the butter.
What we do here is go back.
So after about 10-15 minutes, this is what I got, and as you can see, it's very light, it's very fluffy, and I'm just going to place the mixture into this jar, which I got from Dollar Tree. So this butter should be stored in a cool area or it will melt. If you want to place it in the refrigerator, you can, but it's not really necessary. So I will be using this butter as a moisturizer. So what I like to do is I like to take like a dime sized amount of the butter and just rub it between my hands, and then I'll just go ahead and apply it to my hair from roots to ends. And I do have some mini twists in. They are pretty old, so I'm going to be refreshing them. But before I do, I'm just going to make sure my hair is thoroughly moisturized, and this is a great butter to do that. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.